3 na tayo on how to hire an architect for your project. Part 1 and Part 2, I mentioned the qualities of an architect that you should look for. At the same time, anong mga list of requirements na kailangan yung tanungin sa kanila. Nakapag-hire na kayo ng architect, so what are the things that you should do first? Hindi agad drawing muna. First is, communicate your vision clearly. Kailangan malinaw kay architect kung ano yung mga inspo nyo. Kung kailangan nyo mag-share ng pictures, photos of your inspiration, that is good. Second is, kailangan honest kayo sa budget nyo. Umpisa pa lang, you have to clear out the budget kay architect. Kasi kahit gaano kaganda yung design, kung hindi naman pasok sa budget, magiging useless lang din. Third is, trust the process. Hindi madali ang pagdidesign. Kailangan may proper coordination with you and the architect, and it takes time. Fourth is be responsive. Huwag mong patagalin ang approval ng mga revisions or plans mo. As much as possible, kung kailangan mo mag-respond agad, respond quickly. Kasi makaka-apekto din to sa tagal at bilis ng design process nyo. Fifth is, basahin at intindihin ng maigi ang design contract. Kung may hindi kayo naintindihan, itanong nyo agad before you sign it. It's much better na umpisa pa lang, everything is clear, at the same time, maiiwasan nyo ang miscommunication. And lastly, no matter what, enjoy the process because hindi lang to isang trabaho but a partnership with your architect. Because the design process shouldn't be stressful, it should be fun, at the same time, very collaborative. And always remember, ang pag-hire ng architect is just the beginning. After that, the real journey of your project starts. So, happy building!